dog has a mental disorder. He doesn't chase the ball, he freaking runs from it.
What the heck is he doing? What is he doing?
He's supposed to chase the freaking ball.
What is he doing?
He's scared of it. Look, he's running from it.
What is he doing?
Go get the ball.
Go get the ball.
Go get the ball. Go get the ball.
What are you doing? Freaking running.
Where is he going? Get back!
Get over here. What are you doing?
Hey, don't show your teeth. No. You. This ball.
Cannot hurt you. There's nothing it can do.
To injure your body.
Okay? Why are you scared of it?
Where are you going?